Okay, question number 6. Two boys, Sean and Curtis, went for a walk. Sean began walking 20 seconds earlier than Curtis. Sean walked at the speed of 5 meters per second and Curtis walked at the speed of 6 meters per second. So, in this case, the first thing that we need to do is, what are we trying to figure out? For how many seconds had Sean been walking at the moment when the two boys had walked exactly the same distance? So one of the key information in this problem is they both walked the same distance. So distance is equal. Earlier from one of the physics lesson we learned that distance d is given by the speed times the time it takes. So in this case, let's go ahead and then create a little table that demonstrates these two scenarios. The first one would be this is S for Sean and C for Curtis. Okay, and based on this one, we know that speed goes here, the first column, and then time goes in the second one, and then distance is gonna be in the third one. I'm gonna call it D. So let's go ahead and then take care of the speed. Sean's speed was 5 meters per second. So I'm gonna write 5 here. And Curtis' speed is 6 feet per second. And then I'm gonna do that. We also know that Sean began walking 20 seconds earlier than Curtis. So if we say let t would be the time that it takes Sean, then Curtis would be taking 20 t minus 20 seconds because he started 20 seconds earlier than Sean. So based on this one, distance is a product of speed and time. So 5 times t will be 5t, and this one will be 6 times t minus 20. As we can see from the problem, the distance they traveled is the same, or they want to find out the time that it takes for them to travel the same distance. So we're gonna do 5t, which is the distance by Sean, same as 6 times the quantity t minus 20. Based on this, 5t is equals to, we're gonna apply distributive property here, and then we get 6t minus 120. And then we can take 60 from both sides, and then we get negative t, or negative 1t, is equals to negative 120. And then if we divide both sides by negative 1, we get the time it takes will be 120 seconds. Okay, and this completes the problem.